Now we have a question that says rupees 30,100 is paid to Amit at the time of maturity. So rupees 30,100 is the maturity value. If he pays rupees 400 per month and the rate of interest is 10%, find the total time for which the money was held. So we have to calculate for how many months the money was held, and we have the maturity value, we have the P, that is the money paid every month, and we have R. So what is the formula? The formula says simple interest is equal to P into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Now guys, this question is a bit difficult to understand, because what happens in this question is that with this formula we'll be able to calculate the interest, am I right? And that too in the form of N, and we are given the maturity value. So we will have to add the total amount paid by Amit in the terms of N again with this interest, and then equate it equal to this, and with that we will be able to find out the value of N. So this is simple interest is equal to principal, that is equal to 400 into N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into 10 upon 100. So simplifying this, we get a value that says 5 into N plus 1 upon 3. So the simple interest in the terms of N is equal to 5N plus 1 upon 3. So this is the simple interest. This is the total interest paid after the maturity time to Amit. Now if we calculate the total amount paid, we will be able to equate it with this value, that is the maturity value. So the amount paid by Amit over the years is equal to 400 into N, that is equal to 400N. Why is this? Because 400 is paid every month and N is the total number of months for which the value is paid. So it is 400N is the total amount paid. Now according to question, we have rupees 30,100 is paid to Amit as the maturity value. So the maturity value is equal to the interest plus the total amount paid. So according to question, we have 5N into N plus 1 upon 3 plus 400N is equal to 30100. So just solving this, we get 5N square plus 5N plus 1200N upon 3 is equal to 30100. Now we have 5N square plus 1205N is equal to 90300. Now this is a quadratic equation and we have to find out the roots. That is very simple. How do we do this? Is by splitting of middle term. But before that, we can still simplify this equation by dividing this equation by 5. So I'll do that. That is N, that will give us N square plus this gives us N square plus 241N minus, dividing this by 5, we get 18060 equal to 0. So this is the equation that we get after dividing this equation by 5. So now by splitting of middle term, we can calculate the value of N. We'll get two different values. We have N square plus we have I've already done the calculations in the rough. Again, I'm telling you guys, minus 60n is equal to this much. So this is, I've split the middle term. Now taking n common from here, we get n plus 301. Now taking minus 60 common from here, we get n plus 301 equal to 0. So we have the roots as n into n minus 60 plus into n plus 301. So this is the equation simplified. So n is either equal to 60 or equal to minus 301. Now the value of months cannot be a negative, so this value is cancelled. So we have n equal to 60. So n equal to 60 means this the term is 60 months. That is also equal to 5 years. So the time for which the money is held is 5 years.